by the severe thunderstorm include Jopa Lake, Lake Arlington, Mountain Creek Lake, and Worthington Gardens. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 38 and 45. Interstate 35E between mile markers 420 and 423. Interstate 20 between mile markers 438 and 464. Interstate 30 between mile markers 23 and 40. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away